Today we are going to be reading a poem by Shel Silverstein from the book Where the Sidewalk Ends. It is called Peanut Butter Sandwich. As you read the poem, you are going to learn how to create notes in iBooks, which is where this poem is located. You may turn the page to slide 2. The first tool we are going to use is the highlight tool. To highlight a word, you put your finger on the word and drag it to the right. You should see a speech bubble come up with your word highlighted. If you pick up your finger, you should be able to see the word highlighted, as you do over here with the word scepter. You may turn to slide 3. You can also highlight an entire passage by putting your finger on the first word and dragging down through to the very last word and then picking up your finger. By doing this, your entire passage can be highlighted. This is a great tool if you want to remember an important detail or something that you think will help you understand the story better. You may now turn to the fourth slide. The first thing we learn to do is how to highlight a word that we may not know or a word that might be rhyming, something that you want to remember. Now that you have the word highlighted, there's a lot of different things that we can do with this word. The first is to find a definition for a word that I do not know. Tap on the word and hold your finger down for 1 moment. After you've held down the word with your finger for maybe 2-3 seconds, pick up your finger and you should see the following 4 words: copy, define, search, and speak. Put your finger on the define button. Turn to slide 5. After you picked up your finger, a definition should pop up. In this case, the word is sovereign, and there are 2 different definitions for the word sovereign. It can be a noun or it can be an adjective, and you can read down through and determine which word works best. In this case, it is an adjective. Turn to slide 6. If you want to take notes on a word or passage in iBooks, you want to put your finger on the word scepter that is highlighted and tap it quickly, and you will see the following 5 icons pop up. Click onto the one that has the tablet paper, and you will see that you will get a new screen that will allow you to type notes. Turn to slide 7 to see this happening. You can clearly see that a keyboard popped up when I hit my purple lined tablet paper. As I'm typing, you will see these words. When you are done, you may go down to the very bottom corner of the screen and tap on this icon, which tells you that it will release the keyboard and you will see your entire page again. You may turn to slide 8. After releasing the keyboard, you can see my definition here. Anytime you want to go back to the definition, you will find a small icon to the left of the definition. If you turn to slide 9, you will see that. The small purple icon here to your left indicates that you have taken a note on your passage. At the end of our lesson today, I will show you how you can locate your notes and review them. Turn to the next slide. Another neat trick when highlighting notes is to change the colors. For those of you that are going to be taking notes on topic sentences, big ideas, and supporting details, you know we need to use green, yellow, and pink. And by tapping on this icon, you can change your color to separate those 3 concepts. After you've tapped on the icon to change the colors, you can see the various colors here that you can utilize. When you're done with that, we're going to take a look at one last thing. Take a look at the word up here, library. To the right of it, you see this icon. This icon will let you take a look at those notes we talked about earlier that you have taken. It will also show you how you've highlighted any text in our passage. Here you see 3 things. You see contents, bookmarks, and notes. Since our lesson today was on how to take notes and how to highlight words, we're going to click on the word notes. And here are some of the words that we highlighted today. I highlighted the word scepter. I also took notes on it that it said it looks like a staff with jewels on top. I also highlighted the word sovereign, and I highlighted the word from just for the fun of it. And this was our passage that we highlighted in green that we liked. This is how you use iBooks and how you take notes while reading them. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today.